Hi, everybody. I'm Fatima, the love doctor, and I have a question for you. Do you believe in love? I want you to take a moment and think about a time when you felt the most unloved, uncared for, or forgotten. What was it that you needed most? Was it a hug? Was it a smile? Was it a gentle word? What was it? The late Tina Turner asked us a question. What's love got to do with it? And I'm here to tell you that love's got everything to do with it. If you ask me, love is the whole point. I stand here before you as a person that has had many experiences that have made me feel unloved, uncared for, and forgotten. I know what that pain feels like, and I don't want anyone to ever feel the pain that I have felt. And that's why, through openness and vulnerability, I create spaces where people feel loved and cared for. Imagine a world that's full of kindness, joy, generosity, and love. Sounds like a good place to live, right? If you like the place that I'm describing, I encourage you to embrace love and to spread love wherever you go, no matter your circumstances. My call to action for you today is to be the love, do the love, and have the love. Thank you.